Earlier in the week, this is actually Friday, I was trying to use this Vaclife, and I really do enjoy this hand vacuum quite a bit. And unfortunately, I have sad news. It failed. More specifically, something's wrong with the battery and or charging circuit here in the back. I was able to verify, because I have the equipment to test this, that the wall wart itself was fine. So I said, well, let me look on the back of the vacuum, it's also in the manual, and find their support email. It's support@vaclife.com. I can put that in the description so you can click on it if you ever need to use it. And I said, hey, I think I have a problem with your unit. I've only fully charged it and discharged it maybe about 10 times. I said, what do you need to do in order to exchange this? And they said, oh, no problem. And we'll just simply send you a new one. I said, well, that's great. Now, what's so cool about this is, like I said, this is Friday right now. And this box arrived about an hour ago. And I contacted their customer service on Tuesday. They responded in 6 hours. That's right. From the time I sent an email to the time I received a response from customer service was literally 6 hours. And about 3 days later, literally from Tuesday to Friday, now I'm looking at a brand new unit. No, they didn't want the old unit back. I don't know what they would do with the old unit. Now, me being a YouTuber, I did have the ability to go and make a video, and you will literally see what I showed the engineers there that they took a look at so they could make their decision that they just simply needed to replace the unit. Now, to be perfectly honest with you, I had never heard of or done anything with Vaclife before this particular hand vacuum. They contacted me and said, would you like to review this? And I said, sure. And this is great customer service. Absolutely fantastic. Now, I live fairly close. I'm just a few miles from an Amazon warehouse. So if you live farther away from, your distribution point where you can get the product, it may indeed take longer. But I want to congratulate Vaclife for being so responsive. I don't know exactly how old the company is, but this is fantastic A+ grade customer service. So here is literally a brand new unit. All the accessories, extra filter. And here is my old unit that I guess I could use a part or two off of, but what it does is this. And at this point in time, it's unable to accept a charge. So if your Vaclife hand vac has this particular issue, or if you have any questions or issues or concerns, please contact customer service. They will actually get back to you fairly quickly. This does have a 1-year warranty. And what a fantastic response time. Now, in this video, I will also include the diagnostics video that I sent them. So thanks so much. Let's see, I'll put it over here. Dual hand vacs. Thanks so much for watching. And once again, Vaclife, A+ customer service. After about 10 full charges using this Vaclife cordless vacuum cleaner, it is now refusing to charge. So as you can see, the wall wart is plugged in, and we're sitting at about 18.99 volts DC out. The power usage is sitting at 0.0 watts. If I go and I plug the charger into the rear of the unit, you will see that it goes from 0 watts to 0.2 watts, and it will stay at 0.2 watts forever. Could be days, actually. So I let it charge overnight and never rose above 0.2 watts. You can see that the lights, all 4 of them, appear to be on. And this unit is indeed in need of a charge because, here, I'll have you look at right here. There, LED's on, and I can turn it on. And all the lights go off, indicating that it does indeed need a charge. So hopefully this helps the engineers understand exactly what the failure is. My guess is the charging circuitry has failed and or the battery or combination of both.